Imagine unboxing a package that's a reflection of your brand, capturing your customer's attention instantly. A custom-branded experience not only influences purchasing decisions but also generates social buzz and boosts customer loyalty. With ShipBob's Customization Suite, you can create unforgettable unboxing moments that set your brand apart from the competition. ShipBob offers custom packaging options to enhance your brand image, including Bloom-branded boxes and personalized marketing inserts. These elements help deliver a premium experience right at customers' doorsteps. According to Neil Blewett, SVP of Operations at Bloom Nutrition, this strategy reinforces their image as a high-quality brand. Utilizing branded packaging is essential. Studies show that 55% of shoppers are more likely to return to a brand's website if their order arrives in branded packaging. ShipBob simplifies this process with custom boxes and mailers, utilizing a unique algorithm that ensures the right fit for every order. Kitting is another powerful feature. You can customize inventory preparation and expedite fulfillment with ready-to-ship kits. ShipBob's efficient and transparent kitting process allows you to manage everything from packaging to adding stickers and barcodes, all via your dashboard. For marketing flexibility, ShipBob provides printed marketing inserts. Whether promoting a new product or offering discounts, you can easily launch campaigns right from your dashboard, without worrying about inventory management. Custom designs can be uploaded, printed in full color, and included in every order. Need a personal touch? ShipBob enables customizable gift notes. Customers can add heartfelt messages at checkout, making gifts feel even more special. Choose standard gift notes for a simple touch or premium notes for an elevated experience, printed in full color with personalized branding. Let's talk about the costs involved. Customization is straightforward. You can use custom sender labels at no extra cost. Options like printed gift notes and marketing inserts come with small fees, while kitting pricing is transparent and available upon request. Stephanie Lee, co-CEO at PetLab Co, emphasizes the importance of customer experience and brand consistency. ShipBob plays a crucial role in maintaining that image. Charlotte Katona, president of Makesy, shares her delight at the care taken in packaging by brands using ShipBob. E-commerce manager Callie Tivnan notes that personalized touches have led to increased customer engagement on social media. In conclusion, a custom branded experience can significantly enhance your customer's journey. ShipBob's services offer the tools you need to create meaningful connections with your customers. Take the next step toward elevating your brand. Request a quote today and discover how ShipBob can help you achieve your fulfillment goals.